नाम से डरा मत करो।
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So xy values are given, then we have to find dy by dx whole square. Okay, first we have to find dy by dx. So derivative of y by derivative of x. So differentiation of, so what is y value? Secant to the power n theta minus cos to the power n theta. So differentiation of secant theta power n, it will going to be n into secant theta power n minus 1 into differentiation of secant is secant theta into tan theta by using chain rule minus, so cos to the power n. So derivative of cos to the power n, it will going to be n into cos to the power n minus 1 into differentiation of cos will be minus sin theta upon, so differentiation of secant theta, in denominator differentiation of secant theta will be secant theta into tan theta minus differentiation of cos theta, it will going to be minus sin theta. Okay, n into secant theta power n into secant theta power 1. If bases equal, powers are added, so this it will be secant power n theta, secant power n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, secant theta power n into tan theta. So minus into minus, it will be plus n times of cos to the power n minus 1. So it is cos to the power n by cos theta. We have a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n. Cos theta power n by cos theta into sin theta divided by, so secant theta into tan theta. So minus into minus plus, so sin theta divide multiplied by cos theta in this. Okay, we have got this value, so equal to n into secant power n theta into tan theta plus n into cos to the power n theta, sin by cos we get tan theta, n into cos to the power n theta into tan theta upon secant theta tan theta plus sin into, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta into cos theta, tan theta into cos theta. Okay, in numerator n tan theta take out common, n into tan theta. So remaining secant to the power n theta plus cos to the power n theta by, in denominator only tan theta take out common, secant theta plus cos theta. So one tan theta get cancelled, this it will be dy by dx. Okay, but our target is dy by dx whole square, squaring on both sides. So dy by dx whole square equal to n square into, it will be secant theta power n plus cos theta power n whole square by secant theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay, so secant theta power n plus cos theta power n whole square, we have secant power n minus cos to the power n theta equal to y, secant theta minus cos theta equal to x. From statement these two values are given. Okay, it will be n square into, we have a plus b whole square formula, a plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square, right, plus 4ab. We should apply that formula where a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A minus b whole square, secant power n minus cos power n whole square plus 4ab, 4 times of secant power n into cos power n by, in denominator we should applying a plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square plus 4ab Okay, secant power n into cos power n get cancelled, both are reciprocals. The denominator also secant into cosecant get cancelled. N square into secant power n minus cos to the power n. It place in, we should write y square plus 4 by, so this is x square plus 4. This is answer. So this is equal to dy by dx whole square. Okay, moving to next question. So xy values are given. Then find out y1 square into x square plus 4 minus n square y square. First our target is y1 square, dy by dx whole square. Okay, first we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, so derivative of y value cosecant power n theta minus sin power n theta by derivative of cosecant theta minus sin theta. It will going to be, so by using x to the power n formula, derivative of cosecant theta power n, it will going to be n into cosecant power n minus 1 into differentiation of cosecant theta, it will be minus cosecant theta into cot theta by using chain rule, minus differentiation of sin theta power n, it will going to be n into sin theta power n minus 1, but differentiation of sin theta, it will be cos theta by, so denominator differentiation of cosecant, it will be minus cosecant theta into cot theta, differentiation of sin theta, it will be cos theta. Okay, minus n into cosecant power n minus 1 into cosecant power 1. If base is equal, powers are added, it will be cosecant power n theta, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, into cot theta minus n times of sin theta power n minus 1, it will going to be sin theta power n by sin theta into cos theta. We have a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n, sin theta power n by sin theta. In denominator 1 minus 1 take out common, cosecant theta into cot theta, so plus cos theta, so divide multiplied by sin theta in this. Okay, this continuation, in this minus n as well as cot theta, cos by sin, it will be cot theta, so minus n cot theta take out common, so dy by dx equal to minus n cot theta take out common, so remaining value cosecant theta power n plus sin theta power n upon, in denominator 1 cot theta take out common, cot theta, in this is also cot theta, so minus already there, minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus sin theta. In this one cot theta as well as minus 1 get cancelled. Okay, but our target is dy by dx whole square. So dy by dx whole square, squaring on both sides. So n square into cosecant power n theta plus sin power n theta whole square by cosecant theta plus sin theta whole square. Okay, we have a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, we have from statement xy values are given. X is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta, y equal to cosecant power n theta minus sin theta power n. Okay, now n square into, we should apply a plus b whole square formula. What is the formula? A minus b whole square plus 4ab. So a minus b whole square, cosecant theta power n minus sin theta power n, a minus b whole square equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab, 4 times of cosecant power n into sin power n upon, in denominator we should applying a plus b whole square formula, where a place in cosecant theta, b place in sin theta, right? A minus b whole square plus 4ab. 4 cosecant theta into sin theta. Cosecant theta, sin theta get cancelled. Cosecant power n theta, sin power n theta get cancelled. Both are reciprocals. N square into, it will be y square plus 4 by x square plus 4. So what is this value? Dy by dx means y1 square. So let us do cross product. Y1 square into x square plus 4 is equal to x square plus 4 equal to n square into y square plus 4. N square y square plus n square 4n square. N square y square bring the left side. It will going to be y1 square into x square plus 4 minus n square y square equal to, what is the answer? 4n square is the answer. Okay, now explain question number 3. So if root under y minus up to infinity equal to root under x plus up to infinity, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So let us take this value equal to v. Therefore, root under y minus up to infinity, this place we should write v equal to root under x plus. So root under x plus up to infinity, equation we should write v equal to v. Okay. So let us take this relation. So root under y minus v equal to v. Root under x plus v is equal to v. Now squaring on both sides, y minus v equal to v square and x plus v equal to v square. Okay. We should eliminate from equation 1 and 2. First our target is dy by dx. First let us adding these two equations. V get cancelled, x plus y equal to 2v square. Okay. So let us take same equations, y minus v equal to v square and x plus v equal to v square. Okay. Now subtraction from equation 1 to equation 2. In this v square get cancelled, y minus x minus v minus 2v bring the right side equal to 2v. Okay. Therefore x plus y is equal to 2 times of v square. V value we have got y minus x by 2. Okay, right. So y minus x whole square by 4. Okay, we have got x plus y equal to 2 times of y minus x whole square by 4. 1, 2 get cancelled. So let us do cross product. 2x plus 2y equal to, so by using a minus b whole square formula, a square y square plus x square minus 2xy. Okay. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So 2 constant, differentiation of x will be 1. 2 into differentiation of y, it is dy by dx. Differentiation of y square, 2y dy by dx plus differentiation of x square, it will be 2x minus 2 times of, by using uv formula. So x into differentiation of y, we get dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x will be 1. Okay. Now both sides 1, 2 get cancelled. So it will be 1 plus dy by dx equal to y dy by dx plus x. So minus x dy by dx. So minus into plus minus y. Our target is dy by dx. We collect dy by dx terms. So plus y dy by dx minus x dy by dx bring the left side. So dy by dx minus y dy by dx. Okay, plus x dy by dx. It will be equal to x minus y. This plus y bring the right side, plus 1 bring the right side minus 1. So 1 dy by dx take out common from left side. So dy by dx into, it will be 1 minus y plus x. 1 minus y plus x equal to x minus y minus 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to x minus y minus 1 by x minus y plus 1. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. If x sin y equal to sin y plus a, then and dy by dx value also given, a by 1 plus x square minus 2x cos a, then we have to find a value. Okay, so what is given condition? X sin y equal to sin y plus a. By using sin a plus b formula, sin y cos a plus cos y sin a. Okay, this sin y cos y, bring the left side, x sin y minus sin y cos a equal to cos y into sin a. Okay, on left side one sin y take out common, it will be x minus cos a equal to sin a into cos y. Okay, first we collect y terms, sin y, this cos y bring the left side, by cos y equal to sin a by this x minus cos a bring the right side and divide. Therefore sin y by cos y, it will going to be tan y equal to sin a by x minus cos a. Okay, so therefore y is equal to tan inverse of this value, sin a by x minus cos a. But our target is dy by dx. Y value, we have got tan inverse of sin a by x minus cos a. Okay, so now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So dy by dx equal to differentiation of tan inverse function. So 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus, where x place in right this value, sin a by x minus cos a whole square into d by dx of right this inner function, sin a by x minus cos a. Okay, we have got dy by dx value 1 by, let us do LCM, x minus cos a whole square, x minus cos a whole square, it will be 1 into x minus cos a whole square plus sin square a into, so d by dx of u by v. So sin a constant, first write sin a into, so differentiation of 1 by x. So differentiation of 1 by x, it will be minus 1 by x square. So differentiation of 1 by x minus cos a, minus 1 by x minus cos a whole square into differentiation of x minus a, it will be 1. Differentiation of x 1, differentiation of cos a will be 0 because this is constant. Okay, x minus cos a whole square get cancelled. It will be minus sin a by, so by using a minus b whole square formula, a square x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 2ab, x square plus cos square a minus 2x minus 2x cos a plus sin square a. It will going to be, so minus sin a upon x square cos square a plus sin square a value 1 minus 2xa cos a, but dy by dx from statement what is given? A by, this is dy by dx value given 1 plus x square minus 2xa cos 2x cos a. So denominator get cancelled. So therefore a is equal to minus sin a. What is the answer? Minus sin a. Okay, let us go to the next problem. F of x value given, that of 3 by 3 matrix, then we have to find f dash x value. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x equal to, so differentiation of that of 3 by 3. Okay, what is the process? So first we should write differentiation of first row. So d by dx of x, d by dx of x square. So okay, d by dx of x cube. So remaining two rows write as it is 1 2x 3x square 0 2 6x plus, right, we should apply differentiation of second row. So d by dx of 1, d by dx of 2x, okay, d by dx of 3x square. So remaining rows write as it is. Okay, next we should applying differentiation of third row. So d by dx of 0, d by dx of 2, d by dx of 6x. Okay, so first second rows write as it is x square x cube 0 1 2x 3x square. It will going to be, so d by dx of x 1 1 2x 3x square. Okay, remaining rows 1 2x 3x square 0 2 6x plus det of x square x cube. So differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of 2x 2, differentiation of 3x square is 6x 0 2 6x plus, so differentiation of this value x square x cube 1 2x 3x square 0, differentiation of 2 0, differentiation of 6x is 6. Okay, we have got this value. By that property, if any two rows or columns equal or proportional, that will be 0. In this first row second column, first row second row equal, so R1 is equal to R2, that will be 0. So in this second row equal to third row, so that will be 0. So now we have to find this det value. So plus minus plus, what is the process of det? Plus x into AD minus BC, 12x minus x square into, okay, this x square present in first row and second column. After deleting these two, that of remaining 6 minus 0 6 plus x cube into AD minus BC 0. It will be 12x square minus 6x square. What is answer? 6x square. So f dash x value 6x square. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.